TP-Link Corporation Group, a global leader in networking products, recently hosted Unite 3.0 at Crowne Plaza, Delhi, offering an exclusive hands-on experience with its VIGI surveillance solution. The event showcased TP-Link's commitment to innovation and excellence in the security and surveillance sector, providing attendees a first-hand look at VIGI's latest products and cutting-edge technologies. The event also featured a Q&A session, allowing participants to gain deeper insights into the evolving landscape of surveillance technology. TP-Link, known for delivering reliable and high-performance networking solutions across 170 countries, emphasizes professionalism and simplicity in its offerings. With dual headquarters in Singapore and the US, TP-Link continues to expand its global footprint in consumer and enterprise networking, security, software, and cloud services, reinforcing its position as a key player in the industry.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.